Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson SV17. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson SV17 sounds like it's struggling, you're not alone. This symptom often indicates that the motor is under excessive strain, possibly due to blockages or wear and tear. If left unchecked, it could lead to more severe damage, resulting in costly repairs or complete failure of the vacuum. To ensure a successful repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a replacement motor for the Dyson SV17, and some soft cloths to avoid scratching any surfaces. Begin by ensuring your vacuum is unplugged for safety. Lay it on a soft surface. Use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws from the handle assembly. Be careful not to lose any screws as they can be quite small. Once the screws are out, gently pry open the handle to access the motor compartment. The motor is usually located towards the bottom of the unit. Look for any signs of damage or blockages around the motor. If you see debris, carefully remove it. Now, you will need to disconnect the motor from the power supply. Take your flathead screwdriver and gently lift the clips that hold the motor in place. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After you've safely removed the motor, take your replacement motor and ensure it matches the specifications of your original one. Position the new motor into the compartment and reattach the clips to secure it. Next, reconnect the power supply cables, ensuring they are firmly attached. Once everything is in place, it's time to reassemble the handle. Place it back onto the main body and replace the screws, tightening them securely but not overly tight, as this could strip the threads. Finally, plug in your Dyson SV17 and test it to ensure it sounds smooth and operates correctly. If it runs quietly, congratulations! You've successfully replaced the motor. To prevent this issue from happening again, make sure to clean your vacuum regularly, checking for blockages in the filters and hoses. This will help maintain optimal performance and longevity of your device. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.